Hi everyone and welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Carly.
And I'm Becky, and today we are making rice pop donuts from our brand new baking book, I Love Baking, which is in shops now, so make sure you check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, so first things first,
What
we
we're gonna
have
need.
pre-melted some chocolate, so make sure you do that before you watch the rest of this. And what you want to do is you want to add 25 grams of butter. So add that into the bowl. So just add that in. And then 2 tablespoons of golden syrup.
2 of these.
I know, that's great.
Yeah.
Nice.
One more.
And I'm just stirring quite quickly so that we can get the butter melted.
Yeah.
And then we also want to add 2 tablespoons of milk.
Cool.
So just like a tiny bit more. But not a whole spoon. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. I'm just going to stir that until it's completely smooth, like this. Cool, so when you've got a nice smooth texture, like this, you want to add in your rice pops. Make sure they're totally covered.
And
Do
this
you want
is
to add those in?
80 grams, right?
80 grams, yeah.
We've already measured these out. All of them?
All of them.
Whoop.
Do you want a spoon or?
Yes,
fun,
I'll
this
spoon. Oh, listen to that. Ooh. Can you hear any popping?
Can you hear it in the mic? I'm going to get a baking tray and some baking parchment. And we are then going to spoon this onto here.
You sure we can't eat them now?
I'm sure.
Oh, fine.
Sorry.
In one pile.
One pile. Very delicately done. And then you want to use the back of your spoon. So we might want to use a bigger spoon here. And then we're just going to press it down. So it's kind of one big slab. You want to make sure there's no gaps in it. Nice.
Yeah? Is that done?
So when it starts to look a bit like this, what you're going to want to do is chill it in the freezer or the fridge, depending on how much time you have. So I'm going to go pop that in the fridge now.
And here's one we made earlier.
Yeah, so now what we're going to do is use our cookie cutters. So we've got one large and one small cookie cutter, and we are going to make little donuts. So do you want to choose where to make the first one, like over here somewhere?
Yeah.
Yes, we want a nice smooth edge to the donut.
Top
so you want
tip.
to use a towel here.
Don't hurt your hands.
Nice.
Yep.
And then you want to do the same with your little one.
Okay.
Yep, nice. And then you can kind of pop this out.
Give it a little shuffle,
Shake and
shimmy.
shuffle.
Yeah.
And then you want to pull your middle one out.
Oop.
There you go, and you end up with a nice little donut shape like this. So we're just going to put this to one side and then carry on round. So I think we should be able to make about 3 from this.
That over there.
Okay, now what you want to do is grab some white chocolate and you want to melt this in the microwave, because what we're going to do is we're going to drizzle it to decorate our donuts.
Let's go. Okay, and we've just put our donuts onto a baking tray and melted our white chocolate.
Yep, so now with a spoon we're just going to drizzle over our donuts and then cover it in sprinkles, and it's going to look great.
Okay, I'm going to take that one then.
Okay, should I do this?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Don't know if there's really a technique to this. Mine's just a bit messy.
I think you just kind of do it
I think the
however you
spoon
like.
was definitely the better option.
Actually, maybe a little bit more, just so we've got something for the sprinkles to stick to. Let's go a little
Speaking
bit there.
of the sprinkles.
Oh yeah, do you want to be on the sprinkle watch?
I will. Are we just gonna go crazy?
Let's go crazy.
Woohoo!
Oh, look at that.
Wow. More?
More, let's cover all that bit. Amazing. And there you have it, rice pot donuts, which you can find in I Love Baking, which is on sale now, so make sure you check it out.
Yeah, give it a try and let us know how you get on in the comments below, and like and subscribe.
Bye.
See ya.